Welcome to the CSS Profile Masterclass. The CSS Profile plays a major role in how many colleges evaluate a family's financial picture. This session will help you approach it with clarity and confidence, giving you the foundation you need before we dive deeper into the details, rules, and strategies that shape institutional aid. The CSS Profile is one of the most important financial aid forms your family will complete, especially if you're applying to private or highly selective colleges. Unlike the FAFSA, which focuses on federal aid, the CSS Profile digs deeper into your family's financial picture to determine eligibility for institutional aid, money directly from the college. In this masterclass, we'll walk through exactly what the CSS Profile is, why it matters, and how it can significantly impact your student's financial aid package. You'll learn how colleges use this form to understand your income, assets, home equity, and special circumstances. We'll also cover strategies to avoid common mistakes, how to prepare the right documents, and how to position your family for the strongest possible aid outcome. By the end, you'll feel confident, informed, and ready to complete the CSS Profile accurately and strategically. In this class, we're going to break down what the CSS Profile is, why it matters, and how it differs from the FAFSA. By the end of this session, you'll understand exactly how colleges use the CSS Profile to award institutional aid and how to complete it accurately and confidently. Think of this as your roadmap to maximizing financial aid at private and selective colleges.